Hello, good morning, my people. How are you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing great. It's another fine morning which God has enabled us to have. It's a precious morning whereby we thank God for the grace and the mercies. Guys, it's good to thank God for the day. There are some people who thought that they will reach the day, they will see the day, but unfortunately, they never saw the day. Some are in the hospitals, are sick. Some have passed, they are dead. But you are there. God has enabled you to see the day. You are healthy. You are comfortable. You don't have any issue of illness. So it's good to thank God. It's good to give Him glory. It's good to say thank you, God, for the day. Thank you, God, for the health. Thank you, God, for everything He has done for you. So guys, good morning once again. I wanted to greet you. It's a fine morning that God has enabled us to see. It's not by our wish or our mercies, but it's God's mercies. So guys, I actually I wanted to thank you, all of you who have been of my support, who have been there for me, who have been there, and I'm sure some will chip in. Many people will chip in this particular platform. So guys, without going that far, without making you tired of more words, I wanted to welcome you in this channel, Uganda Lamek channel. I wanted to say welcome. If you are new here, please just go to that alarm button, click there, subscribe, share, like and comment, and we will grow together. So guys, as I told you, I'm from the village. I'm from this village of I am Marwas village. And if I will not mention that guy, you won't understand which village I mean. I'm from I am Marwas village. This is where I am from. So guys, I have woken up and I want to go and chase the day. There's some guy who asked me to go and assist them with a certain job. So that's where I'm heading to. So guys, I'm going to the construction site, by the way. I'm an unskilled man. I'm looking for some money to feed myself, to feed my younger, to feed my mother, and to feed whoever will come across and seek for assistance. Maybe he's angry, maybe she's angry, whoever will come across and will find something is on the table, we'll share together. So guys, I'm here welcoming you. And say that I've woken up, I'm healthy, I'm good, that I'm going to job. Yeah, I'm going to job. And I guess, and I know that I think when I will reach to the construction site, I will update all of you that I've reached the site. So guys, once again, welcome. If you are new here, just subscribe, share, watch the video, and comment. You even like, and God will bless you. So immediately when I will approach the site, I will update you on what is happening in the site and what will be happening in the site during the day, and we will be happy. We will share the moments together. So thank you so much. So guys, I want to say thank you. Guys, as I told you, the construction site. We are about to start. We are about to begin. As you can see, the other side, things are getting ready. We are preparing the ground for the job for the day, for the job of the day. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the wall which we want to construct. Yeah, this is the wall that I want to construct. So guys, I will urge of all of you to keep getting ready for the updates. So I've reached the site. We are in the site. We are going to do the job. So welcome. Shalom, 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 shalom. I will update you. In case I will show you the entire site, where we are going to do. This is the job which was done the other day on Saturday with my friend here who is skilled. So until that far end, the day, I think is the day is the job of something like 2 to 3 days. I'll be here. Maybe I don't know the program of these people. I don't know how they are going to do this job, but I'm sure that is the job of two to 3 days. So guys, keep in touch. I will update you everything which is going to happen in the site. So welcome again. Thank you. So guys, we are here, we are working now. We are on the site. We are preparing the ground for the day. This is what I usually do for a living. You know that I have a lot of money. This is where I get money from, and this is what I normally do to make the money. This is what I mean when I told you that I'm going to the construction site. This is what I wanted you to know that I'm doing it. So we are preparing. We are not yet started the job. We are just preparing the ground. We are preparing the material to build this particular fence. So I told you that I will be updating you on how we are going to do these things. And mind you, I'm not the mason. I'm the unskilled man. I'm the helper. Not that I build. I am the helper. I just came here to help. I'm not skilled. But with the time, I'm sure that I'm going to catch up with these masons, and I will know how to build this construction. Yeah. Hapo Vegas. Hapo kando tunakula hiyo misio minyama wanachoma choma. Bila pole pole msikatane makoreo. Ndio bado mko vijana. Hiyo kisha na ndugu yako bado vijana. Bado vijana. So guys, this is how we are going through this. We are mixing up the sand with the cement. This is what we do. This is what we do. I told you I will give you each and every step we are taking through the day. So we are in the process of mixing up the cement with the sand, so that we continue the work of the day. So keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing, comment, and you can give even a like for this video. Yeah, we are still working, we are inside. We are doing the great job, we are doing amazing job. This is what we call manpower. Manpower. The guy from the village. Kujituma. You must look for these things, my friend. You must look for these things, my friend. We must look for these things. It's not easy. It's not easy, one. It is not easy. For the last trip, we are mixing up so that we can pour the water and start the job now. So guys, thank you so much. I want to welcome all of you in this channel. This is now how we do these things. What is remaining here is to pour the water inside. After that, we start supplying the sand, and the masons will continue doing their job. So welcome, keep it up, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on sharing, keep on commenting, and may the God bless you. Meshika?
Ya kupotea.
Upo ni kati na mmechini. Ni nini nashika mkono dogo. Naomba nipige na video sana. Sai. Mkono huu. Ono. Yeah. Oh, Ndio leta maji.
Ongeza maji.
Ndio mnakoroga yote?
Koroga tu nusu.
Kidogo kidogo. So guys, now the material is ready. The material is ready for the work. We are now you want to start the job. Now the journey has begun. Now, as you see, we've already prepared the sand. It is ready for a job to start.
Mende. Yeah.
Sasa hivi najua mnaongea sasa. Interrupt hiyo video lakini kwa sawa. So guys, ready for the job now. I think by now it's enough for today. I'll update you in the evening when I'll close the job, because my boss is not going to allow me again to use the phone, because this is the job. He has called me here to do the job. So kindly, I beg that be in touch with this video. I will come again later after the job. We'll update ourselves on where we've reached. Thank you for the day. May God bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Shalom.